Hi guys, I'm Shanmugavelyan Ram, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of Basic Science, USN 23DS1751. Subject Applied Chemistry, subject code PCHES 102. Topic Corrosion. Agenda Introduction to corrosion, causes of corrosion, types of corrosion, significance of corrosion, effects of corrosion, methods to prevent corrosion. Introduction to corrosion. Corrosion is an electrochemical process that results in the gradual destruction of metal due to its reaction with the surrounding environment. This phenomenon can lead to serious consequences if not addressed properly. In this card, we will explore the basic principles of corrosion and its impact on metals and alloys. Corrosion, a comprehensive understanding. Corrosion can be regarded as nature's counteraction to human endeavors in utilizing metals for constructive purposes. However, its interstitials extend beyond surface observations. Let us delve deeper into this phenomenon. Cause of corrosion. There are mainly three things which cause corrosion. Chemical reaction. When metal is exposed to chemicals like acids, bases, or salts, a chemical reaction takes place that causes corrosion. Oxygen. When metal is exposed to oxygen in this presence of moisture, it can create rust and cause corrosion. Galvanic corrosion. When two different metals are in contact and exposed to moisture, they can form a battery-like system that results in corrosion. Types of corrosion. There are mainly four types of corrosion: uniform corrosion, pitting corrosion, fretting corrosion, and crevice corrosion. Let us study about uniform corrosion. Affects the entire surface of the metal and is caused by exposure to a corrosive environment. Pitting corrosion affects small areas of the metal and is caused by localized damage to the surfaces such as scratches and dents. Fretting corrosion occurs in places where two surfaces are in contact and rubbing against each other, causing small particles to be formed and corrosion to occur or exposed areas. Crevice corrosion occurs in confined spaces where metals is exposed to a corrosive environment such as under gaskets, washers, or clamps. Industries affected. The main parts of industries affected by corrosion are construction, transportation, chemical processing. Here comes construction. Corrosion affects metal structures, reinforcing bars and other components in buildings, bridges, and infrastructure. Transportation. Vehicles, aircraft, ships, and various transportation infrastructures are susceptible to corrosion, especially in harsh environmental conditions. Chemical processing. Corrosive chemicals in industrial process can lead to corrosion of equipment and storage tanks. Significance of corrosion. The three significance of corrosion are economic impact, innovation in material, technological development. Economic impact. Corrosion related maintenance, repair, and replacement costs are substantial. Industries and governments invest significant resources in managing and mitigating the effects of corrosion to avoid economic losses. The challenges posed by corrosion drive innovation in material science. The development of corrosion resistant material contributes to advancement in various industries. Technological development. Ongoing research and development in corrosion resistant materials and technologies are essential for advancing industries and creating more durable and sustainable products. Effects of corrosion. The main effects are structural damage, aesthetic damage, operational malfunction. Structural damage. Corrosion can cause structural damage to buildings, bridges, and other infrastructures, leading to high repair costs. Aesthetic damage. Corrosion can create unsightly stains and blemishes on cars, boats, and other metal surfaces, reducing their resale value. Operational malfunction. Corrosion can cause machinery and equipment to malfunction or fail, disrupting production, disrupting production and reducing efficiency. Health hazards of corrosion, contaminated water supply, inhalation of fumes, cancer risks. Contaminated water supply, corroded pipes in water and wastewater systems can introduce contaminants into the water supply, leading to health issues for those consuming or coming into contact with the water. Inhalation of fumes, corrosion processes may produce fumes or gases that, when inhaled, can cause respiratory irritations or more severe health problems depending on the corrosive substance involved. Cancer risks. Some corrosion byproducts and chemicals involved in corrosion process may be carcinogenic, posing long-term health risks, especially with chronic exposure. Preventing corrosion. We can prevent the corrosion by these three methods. Selection of materials, coatings, and cathodic protection. Selection of materials. Choose materials that are resistant to corrosion in the given environment. Coating. Apply coating like paint, varnish, or plating to prevent contact between the metal and the environment. Cathodic protection. Use electric current to protect metal surfaces from corrosion by making them a cathode in a galvanic cell. Treating corrosion. We can treat the corrosion by these two following methods. Chemical treatments, mechanical treatments. Treat the corroding metal with the chemical that removes the corrosion layer and restores the surface finish. Mechanical treatments. Grinding, sanding, or blasting the corroded surface to remove the corrosion layer and restore the surface finish. Conclusions and future considerations. Corrosion is a persistent problem in industry, transportation, and infrastructure as we strive to build more resilient and sustainable structures. We face the challenges or we face the challenge of reducing the impacts of corrosion on their lifespan. We must continue to innovate and develop new materials, coatings, and treatments to ensure their longevity. So, watching guys, like, share, and subscribe.